Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to measure your heart rate on the JustFit application before starting a workout. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should select the workout, tap on Start Training, click on the Start button and then tap on Measure Heart Rate. Tap on Go to Settings to enable the app to have access to your camera, so tap on this button on the right side, then go back to the app and then you can start your workout, and before that you can measure your heart rate in a few seconds, so tap on Start. Again, then tap on Measure Heart Rate, and after that you should put your finger to cover the back camera and the flashlight, and as you can see it is being measured, so you should hold the camera until the end. So here you can see how it proceeds on the circle. We are halfway there, so it takes a few more seconds. And after that, you will be able to check out the result of this examination. So here you can see your resting heart rate, and then tap on the Start Workout button if you would like to start your workout. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.